Welcome to my channel, Learn to Earn Minds. I hope you have seen the demo and I hope you have enjoyed it. Social media is full of such AI images. If you want to make such images, we're here to help. This video will show you how it works. You need to open your browser. As soon as you open, you will have search for Bing AI on Google. Here, you will find some results as soon as you search. You can open Bing from here if you want, but you must first click using Open Image Creator from Microsoft Designer. When you click on it, you'll see this interface. Log in with your Gmail account. In this case, you will receive 15 credits as soon as you log in. With those 15 credits, you can create any image you want. In the following box, I paste the prompt after copying. When I click Create, it will take a few seconds here. After that, it will generate it for us. Wait for a few seconds. It generated these images for me, as you can see here. There is a lot of beauty in these images. This is amazing. You can download these images easily if you wish. I will show you its next image. First, it is necessary to change the prompt according to your requirements. It is possible to replace Facebook with Instagram. The girl can be replaced by the boy. Please write your name here if you want it here. Now I'm going to copy this prompt. You can paste it here. You can now create by clicking the Create button. Wait a few minutes. This is the result you can see. In the description, you will find prompts that you can use according to your needs. Now you can download it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, let me know in the comments what other tutorials you'd like to see on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay creative and have fun with your 3D creations.